Welcome to day 7. You made it. And this is where the rubber hits the road. Now, so far, you have built an amazing foundation. You now know why the market exists, how to read a candlestick, how to find support and resistance, how to count pips, and you understand lots. You know what to trade and when, and you know who's actually moving the market. Now, knowing is one thing, but applying it is where it really starts to click. So I will warn you is that most people quit right here. They get overwhelmed. They think that they're not smart enough, but you're not most people. So here's a truth that most retail traders never learn. The market moves in 4 predictable stages influenced by market makers. And this is what it looks like. The dealer cycle. Now this cycle repeats on every single time frame and every single day over and over and over all throughout history. And so what we do is get really good at applying the basics of what I've already taught you with some deeper understanding of how this pattern works. But you can take just what we've learned so far and apply it. Take this pattern and see for yourself. It's everywhere on your charts. And we just get better and better and better and recognizing the tells of this pattern. And for sure, you do not have to be perfect. I am not a perfect trader, and there is nobody here has to be perfect. I have made every mistake possible, and I've probably invented a few. That's why I've built this community where we do live markups, pattern drills, and we hang out together, have real support. This is where we study the setups, confirm the patterns, and build confidence together. Because once you see it, you can trade it. And once you can trade it, well, you're limitless. So today, we're going to put it all together and put it all into practice. So download your beginner trade plan. It should be here somewhere under the video. And always, we're going to go Euro USD, and we're going to apply everything that we have learned so far. Should take just a few minutes. Bonus point, you got to screenshot your markups and post them in the community, because that is how you start building your personal trade library. Okay, let's go to the charts.